Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best professional camcorders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sony FDR X100B4K video camera. If you need to capture the vision in the astonishing shoots using this camcorder, which fits very perfectly in a palm of your own hand, then this video camcorder will offer you the right quality which no cameras will compare. This camcorder permits very high resolution so as to produce the vibrant and the extremely realistic images. More amazing, blazingly fast imaging processor is similar to one being employed in the professional Sony models that make it very possible when recording 30p movies in the camera's total resolution for very smooth and the sharp playback by not losing the realism even when you actually pal a camera and then shoot the moving subjects. This will offer you with what you require in your own videos, so get your own and you will feel awesome. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Canon XF100 professional camcorder. Compatible in the size, the lightweight, and the fully featured, Canon Professional XF100 camcorder is actually the best camcorder of choice for one to fit a range of the individual requirement. Unlike the other camcorders that use the proprietary memory system, Professional XF100 camcorder usually records to the economical compact flash card. The camcorder also features the 2 CF card slots which offer the versatile recording function, like if one CF card has become full, the camcorder automatically switches the video recording to another CF card by its own. Also, a media may be replaced by not turning off a camcorder and another card will be removed by not interruption when recording. It's perfect for the news crews and the live event shooters, as the camcorder constantly buffer about 3 seconds of the video in the memory. At number 3, we have the Canon XF400 HDMI 2.0 output camcorder. XF400 professional camcorder actually offers the outstanding combination of the 4K UHD image functionality, quality, and features in the compact portable design preferably suited for education, government, broadcast, videography, and event corporate for the cost-effective 4K UHD video quality. Featuring the 1.0-inch 4K CMOS UHD image sensors and the dual DIGI-CDV Image 6 processors, XF400 records in the MP4 format of the dual SD slots card. The camcorder can record 4K video UHD at 60p and also slow motion record up to 120 fps in the full HD. The 15x optical zooming lens maintains to 4K UHD quality through the entire zooming range, while a camcorder's dual CMOS Pixel AF assists in facilitating accurate and fast autofocus. Also, camcorder includes the HDMI 2.0 terminals with the 4K UHD support output, 2 XLR terminals with the independent audio levels control. At number 2, we have the Panasonic CX1 4K Ultra HD professional camcorder. The Panasonic CX1 camcorder is 4K handheld powered by the single 1-inch MOS of the sensor. An optical 20x zooming lens covers a range from about 24mm wide angle up to 480mm telephoto, which is 35mm film equal to 4K 24p. HCX1 usually comes with a complete 4-drive lens system which independently and simultaneously drives 4 element groups in the lens. The lens size and the driving range to each of 4 groups will be proficiently suppressed to an optimized quality image and the zoom power. It actually comes with the Panasonic V-Log L gamma curves. You will shoot the varying resolution videos using the camcorder. It also supports the DCI 4K at the 24 fps. Otherwise, you will shoot at the UHD 4K at the maximum resolution for 60 fps and the HD at the maximum resolution of about 120 fps. And finally, at number 1, we have the Canon XA35 professional camcorder. For the compact, fast, and the powerful performance especially suited for the on-the-go electronic new gathering, production, the corporate video and the higher education, Canon XA35 camcorder offers the remarkable combination for the portability, the image quality together with the I/O capability. The HD SDI terminals offers an easy connectivity to the broadcast vans, the workstations, and the other digital TV, cinema hardware, assisting to provide an incredibly fast transmission of the uncompressed video within a timecode and the audio embedded in the rapid productions. With the genuine Canon high-definition 20x optical zooming lens and the lately designed CMOS HD Pro image sensors with the improved low light of performance, XA35 captures excellent Full HD 1920 by 1080 video. It actually features the two new modes, the wide DR gamma together with the highlight priority that assist to deliver the expansive range of the colors and the tones virtually reliable with how they are seen by naked eye. The new interval recordings option round out XA35's ability for capturing dramatic footage in a fly with the fast motion of up to 1200x an original speed. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.